Hi, very welcome to Arínzano. Today I'm going to explain why our vineyard is so special. Of course, our purpose is to make every year the best wine we can make, and for it there is one absolutely necessary condition, which is to have a great quality of grape. And this is in this precise point where the quality of the soils, the quality of the earth, of the land, takes all its importance, because a high quality of grape does not grow from any place. So if we take a look at the estate, it occupies a valley, both sides. There is a river in the middle, here we can see it. There is a mountain of about 3,000 feet of altitude that dominates, and we will see a little more the valley shape here. Valley that takes its source just on the horizon line between the rocks we can see, which separate Urbasa and Andía mountains in, let's say, on the foothills of the Pyrenees. And which is extremely important is that because of this valley, we have a descending current, which means fresher air, and our vineyard is permanently bathed in fresher air than the direct environment of the region. If we have lower temperatures, fresher summers, it means for the grapes slower maturation, which for the varieties we mainly work on, which are principally Tempranillo and Chardonnay, which natural maturation cycle is short. Tempranillo in Spanish means actually early. Well, if we have a slower maturation, it's a little as if we could see actually the maturation process in slow motion. So it gives us higher probability to pick the grapes with the perfect point of maturity. Another very peculiar thing, which is very interesting, so we understand that there is this descending fresher current that follows the riverbed. If we follow the river, we can see mostly by the trees. So if we follow this river, we will see that in a point over there, in the end of the estate, the river faces the hill. Where the river faces the hill, the water has no other way than turning around the hill, but a big part of the fresh air that comes with the pressure of the higher altitude of the mountains in the back actually is reflected by the hill in a part, and so there is a part of the fresh air that actually goes left, following the slopes of the hill. And if we follow these slopes, little by little, we are reaching the parcels that give one of our best wines, which is our top Chardonnay Gran Vino Blanco. Why is it so interesting? Is because you have this fresh air current that goes uphill, but once it loses its pressure, it starts going down, so it creates kind of a vortex of fresh air that is fresher even than all the rest of the estate. And basically it's the freshest point into the whole estate. And for the maturation of Chardonnay, it means keeping the acidity high with a good level of sugar. And so basically from these three parcels you can see in front of me, we make 6,000 bottles a year of our Gran Vino Blanco.